Hi everyone! Today I will show you my evening routine in English. Subscribe to my channel for more easy English lessons. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I remove my makeup. I remove my makeup. I use face wash. I use toner. I use toner. I put on serum. I put on serum. I put on face mask. I put on face mask. I put on moisturizer. I put on moisturizer. I put on moisturizer. I put on lip balm. I put on lip balm. I study at night. I study at night. I drink warm milk. I do homework. I do homework. I listen to rain sounds. I listen to rain sounds. I fluff my pillow. I fluff my pillow. I turn on the fan. I turn on the fan. I scroll TikTok. I scroll TikTok. I put on pajamas. I put on pajamas. I put on pajamas. I watch Netflix. I watch Netflix. I meditate for 5 minutes. I meditate for 5 minutes. I stretch before bed. I stretch before bed. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I go to sleep early. I go to sleep early.